Guys, this dye job is insane. I am absolutely obsessed. Look at this. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installing of this 13x6 26-inch highlighted wig from Sterly Hair, and I am absolutely obsessed, you guys. Like, look at this. It's very rare you see a wig with coloring like this where the roots are actually dark jet black. Like, I love it. I feel like this is way easier to work with if you have been wanting to try color and you've been like, I don't know. Having dark roots just really eats. I feel like this is a lot more safe than just going completely blonde. It looks gorgeous. Not to mention, this is a full 13x6. Like, there's no kind of weird U parting shape. You can part this wig absolutely anywhere, you guys. Like, look at it. It is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. So Sterly actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this 13x6 wig from Sterly Hair. Let's see what we have here, what it's giving. Oh, okay, look at that color. I already see it's gonna eat the girlies up. I already see it. So it comes with an edge brush, a bonnet, a scrunchie. You have a headband to melt your lace, get it nice and tight. And then you have a wig cap and a pair of lashes. So let's actually look at this wig and see what it's giving, if it's eating the girlies up. So this is their highlight black root wig. Like, I love nice dark roots when I have blonde hair. I feel like it looks a little more natural and it's a lot easier to work with opposed to like a straight blonde wig. Like, let's see the dye job on this hair, if it's really giving. Because I do really like Sterly Hair. I feel like they do a great job with any of their color hair and the hair I've actually gotten from them, this 1B or jet black. So let's see. Here is the coloring. I feel like this summer, this might be a highlight summer, a nice blonde summer. I don't know. Look at this. The hair is super thick. I love that there is like this lighter color in here too. I think this is a really good coloring job. And the top is like jet black. So I'm glad that it's not like a 4 or a chocolate brown color, because I don't know, I just feel like the more natural black color just eats better. So I'm happy with this. I do really like the way they did this, especially with some curls. Oh, it's gonna give. So this is their 13x6 wig. So it is a full 13x6. I feel like Sterly does a really good job with giving you all your lace. They're not cheating you at all. Look at all of that parting space. Oh my goodness, you guys, you're gonna be able to do like a nice updo with this wig, maybe some cornrows if you wanna do that, or a nice deep side part. I love a deep side part. We might do that today, I'm not sure yet. But look at that, bam, that's a lot of parting space. And there is an elastic band in the back, and it does have a few combs in here. So this is their 26-inch wig. So this is a nice length. I feel like this is a nice natural but long length. So it's still gonna be like, bam, we're gonna see when I actually install it what's it giving, but you know, I like this. This is very, very cutesy. That's one reason I don't normally like highlighted wigs, because I don't like that 4 color up here. So the fact that this is a natural black color up top, I think it's gonna give. I'm gonna be really, really happy with this wig. I can see it now. So let's go ahead and get into the install of this wig, because I'm ready to see this wig on. I want to see it with curls. I want to see it styled. Let's do it, you guys. Okay, I don't have any lace tint right now, so instead we are going to add a little bit of makeup to this lace to make it closer to my skin tone and really eat, you guys. So let me see. We're going to use my Morphe powder. This is the Filter 12 finishing powder. I'm just going to add this to the lace. Usually I would use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation or powder, but this is what we have closest to us right now. And I will say, once I actually install this wig, I will probably add a little more powder just so it can really blend a little bit better with my skin tone. Ooh, see, I already like the way these roots look. And look at that long middle part. I love a nice long middle part. Bam, 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 look at that. I like this color on my skin already. Okay, oh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and cut off this lace, because I really want to see what it looks like. And I might do a little plucking to the hairline once I actually have this wig on. maybe we can do it now. Okay, I'm gonna do a little plucking before I actually install the wig so it's not pulling the hair off of the glue, you know? Because we want this install to really last for as long as possible, even though we're gonna do a quick and easy install today. Nothing too crazy or intense. I'm just pulling out a few hairs in the front. It doesn't have to be too uniform or too nice because I feel like this wig doesn't need that much, but we'll just do a little something. Add a little extra flair to the hairline. You all see, I'm really just pulling this any kind of way right now. It's gonna come together very nicely though. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut off this excess lace. Ooh, this looks cutesy. Let's cut off this excess lace. I like to work in sections, so I'm gonna cut a slit in each temple. Bam, bam. And then I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor and cut off this excess lace. Look at that. Looks so cute already. I'm obsessed. Let me make sure you all can see the hairline and really see what it's giving. Let me bring this down. So I'm just going to install this wig using lace spray today. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna make this a quick and easy install that honestly anybody can do. So I'm gonna pull this hair back a little bit and go ahead and work in 3 layers with lace spray. So this is the first layer, you guys. Layer 1. Okay, so now we're doing layer 2. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to the 3rd layer. And with this layer, before I actually blow dry the hair, I'm going to put the lace where I want it to lay. Oh, I can cut off a little bit of the lace over here. We got a little bit too much lace on. Okay, and now we're gonna blow dry. Okay, and a new product I'm actually using is Lace Melt. I was not using this a little while ago, but I feel like it does definitely help, and it helps the wig stay a little longer too. And now I'm going to use this handy dandy headband and let the lace actually melt while we work on styling this wig. Ooh, I like this, I like this, I like this. But okay, let's actually put some curls in this hair and get it cutesy. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to use my slick stick and get this hair kind of flatter because we don't want it to look too wiggy or anything. So let's use the slick stick, and then behind the slick stick, we're gonna use mousse and the hot comb. This is like a very nice summertime hair color. Like you can see, I'm feeling it. It looks cutesy. I am obsessed with it already. I just love the dark roots. Like that's really what does it for me. I always want like blonde hair, but I don't want just blonde hair. I want it to be dark on the roots. I don't know, I always like that like look. I know like people don't like when their hair is turning, you know, their natural color, when girls begin their hair like blonde and then the roots are a little dark and like the brunette color is coming out or whatever. But I like it. I think it looks cutesy. And now I'm going to use that mousse we were talking about. This is the argan mousse. I'm gonna need a little bit more of that soon. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Like it looks really nice on my skin tone. And I'm also gonna go in the part and add a little bit of makeup to make the part just pop, 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 pop. And you can see, since this is a 13 by 6, you got a nice long part too. It's a lot of parting space in this thing. Okay, let's take this off. Now I know I'm gonna have to add a little bit of makeup to the lace. Oh wait, hold on, it looks good. I tell you, that lace melt, it'll do it. It'll do it for sure. Okay, so I still am going to add a little bit of makeup to my lace, just so it can really get. So this is my contour color. It's a little bit darker, but because I contour like my forehead, it is good to use a darker color on the lace because it'll kind of all blend in with my makeup. Okay, now let's pop a few curls in this hair. It looks so, so cute. I'm obsessed. We're just gonna one curl this hair. So nothing too crazy. Let me show you all how this hair curls. It looks so, so cute though. Let me show you where it falls on me too. So I'm 5'7", and Bam. This is like mid-back, and it still is body wave, so it has some curl in it. But stretch, it'll be right at my butt. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I like that a lot. And I like the way the colors and the highlights are coming together. Like, that's a lot of pretty color in that one curl. That's eating. I cannot wait to rake it out and see how it really looks. But let's do the rest of the head, or the rest of my head, you guys. I don't know why I said that. Okay guys, the hair looks so cute. I am absolutely obsessed. The hair looks so cute. I love this color. I love that darker like chocolate brown in the hair coming together with this perfect highlight. Like, yes, it looks so cute. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. I feel like Sterly does an amazing job with all of their colored hair. Honestly, all of their hair is really good, you guys. I love it. So let me go in the part one more time to really make the part pop one more again, as we say in the South. But guys, this color is absolutely everything. I am obsessed with this hair. Look at it, you guys. It looks so cutesy. Sterly, you absolutely did that, and I love the way it ended up curling. This color is gorgeous, you guys. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.